So today, I want to explore with you the idea of what is a mixed number and how does that idea of a mixed number, how does that connect to what is often called an improper fraction? I'm going to call them fractions greater than 1 because that's really a more accurate term. So how do mixed numbers and fractions greater than 1 connect? So we have this problem here. The baseball team comes over to Daniel's house for a pizza party. As he is cleaning up, he notices that there are 11 pieces of pizza left over. The pizzas were cut into 8 slices, so he knows that is 11/8 of a pizza. His mom says it is 1 3/8 of a pizza. Who is right? So you can see here below, I have the 3 pizzas that are left over once the baseball team leaves. The first pizza, you see there are 5 pieces, or we could say 5/8 of a pizza. The second pizza is 3 pieces, or 3/8 of a pizza. And the final pizza is also 3 pieces, for 3/8 of a pizza. And if you count 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 3 more is 11. You know Daniel is clearly right. There are 11 slices, and they were cut because their pizzas were 8. Our denominator is going to be 8. So 11 in the numerator, 8 in the denominator, or 11/8. But is his mom also right? So when you think of a mixed number like 1 3/8, or when you think of a fraction greater than 1, the first thing you really need to do is figure out, well, how many wholes are there? And to do that, the one way to do that is to decompose the fractions into unit fractions. So a unit fraction has 1 in the numerator. So we're going to decompose or break our fraction down into unit fractions. The first fraction we have is 5/8. That breaks down into 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. The second fraction we have is 3/8. That breaks down into 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. And the final fraction is 3/8 again, or 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Now, in order to turn this into a mixed number, I need to know how many eighths are in a whole. And that, of course, is 8/8. One whole pizza would have 8 slices, so 8/8 is 1 whole. And you can see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8/8, or 1 whole. And what do I have left? I have 3/8 left. So 1 whole and 3/8. It turns out Daniel's mom is correct too. 11/8 is equivalent to 1 3/8.